Friends, today I'm going to show that how to delete Telegram channel. Friends, to delete Telegram channel, it's an easy process. So friends, don't miss anything. Please watch the whole video, and after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So open the Telegram app. Now my friends, you have to select which channel you want to delete. Like, you have to tap and hold your finger on that channel, my friends. So I want to delete test 3 channel. Just tap and hold your finger on it, and it will show the delete option here, my friends. Just tap on delete, and here is shown delete just for me and delete for all subscribers. Which one you want, you can select from here, my friends. So I want to select delete for all subscribers because I have created this channel, my friends. And here is the warning: deleting this channel will remove all subscribers and all posts will be lost. Delete the channel anyway. Yes, I want to delete all. Done, my friends. So friends, like this, if you want, you can delete Telegram channel. Friends, to delete Telegram channel, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.